Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to skyrocket your funnel's performance and boost conversions? Today, I'll show you how to easily run an A/B test in GoHighLevel and optimize your funnel like a pro. First of all, head over to your funnel dashboard. On the left-hand side, click Sites and either create a new funnel or select an existing one. For this demo, I'll be using an existing funnel. Now, here's where the magic begins. To start a split test, you need to create a variation of your funnel. Before doing that, make sure you've added a domain to your funnel. Next, let's create that variation. You'll see three options. Choose the one that fits your needs. I'm selecting Use Existing and tweaking the variation to Test. Now choose the funnel step, click Import, and let's make some quick changes. Once it's imported, let's make some edits. Click Edit and choose Edit in New tab to open the funnel. For this variation, I'll simplify things a bit by changing the background color and removing a few sections. Feel free to adjust anything you think will increase performance. Once you're done editing, save the funnel and head back to the main screen. Now we need to set the traffic distribution. Split the traffic 50-50. So half your visitors see the original and the other half see the variation. Finally, click Apply to launch the test. You're now officially running your A/B test in GoHighLevel. And that's it. Ready to take your business to the next level? Sign up for GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial and start automating your workflows with ease. To make sure you hit the ground running, don't forget to book your kickoff call. You can find all the links you need down in the video description. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our updates. Thanks for watching.